Today, a useful starter trick. Hold the lighter like me. Open it with a big move. Place it on the fire wheel. Middle paper catches here. Back paper goes behind. Push out, hook in, turn. Complete the circle. At this angle, press down. Fingers work together. Release at the right time. Fire spins out like this. Catch the reverse. Flip it back with your hand. Big paper moves. Combines for a big effect. This starter creates many tricks. Builds into a big show. See the final effect. Let's learn a new trick. Today I'll show you a fun one. Hold the turkey mold firmly. Stop and flick it down. Flick and hook the lid. Catch and flip the turkey up. Press down together now. Catch with other fingers. Like this gesture, half circle motion. Hook the body. Slide and stop. Flip and lock in place. Change the grip. Use the wrist to throw. Flip the lid like this. Watch closely now. Beautifully crafted moves. We've learned the basics before. Finger placement is key. Rotate with your fingers. Release and flip. Absorb the motion. Combine moves to flip. Switch to cross grip. Flip down now. Catch and hold tight. Support from below. Flip up with ease. Secure and flip down. Lock in and pull. Master this move. Perfect the finish. Mastering this skill in 30 minutes is all about simplicity. Easy start. Today's lesson focuses on daily life. Hold the lighter like this thumb and index finger. Open the lid. Hold and open. Let's practice. Open, then return to the wheel. And ignite, all with your middle finger. Now let's see. Let's learn this trick. Master it in 30 minutes. Today, a simple stone trick. Hold the lighter like me. Watch my hand position. Thumb opens the cap. Hold the cap with thumb. Then focus. Lift the lighter slightly. See the body's position. Use middle finger to move. Ring finger at the bottom. Hook it like this. After hooking to this point, middle finger back down. Use thumb and index to flip the body. Middle finger applies force. Complete the spark. Then close the cap. Let's see. Watch the effect. Master 3 knives. Simple flower bowl today. Take large and medium paper. Put white paper back. Flick it open. Add small chain column. Lift the body up. Hook and support base. Finish with 10 papers. Flip the body up. Close the lid comfortably. Look at the finished pot. Let's start with a simple technique. Today I'll show you a basic grip. Hold it like this. Secure the lid with your thumb. Now push the lid open without letting go. Form this position. Lift your thumb up. Hook it under the base. Use your thumb to flip it up. Then use both to hold it. Flip it up and hold tight. Now wrap your fingers around. Use your thumb to complete the spark. Remember, it's a half circle motion, not upwards. A half circle to create the spark. Let's see the result. Gently return to you. Today I'll teach a technique. Feet down, open up. Hold it like this with the latch. Middle finger with wood and stone. Complete the opening like this. Today's technique so gentle. Use your strength. Ensure the body is secure. Find the right feeling. Press down with wood and stone. Like this, middle finger on the feet. Form a wrist shape. Complete the movement. Hook the feet. Flip it over with stone. After flipping, lift the wood up. And flip back. A small technique, suitable for beginners. To close like this. Calculate the movement. Pull the body down. And flip. To this position, pull again. Use the tiger mouth. Middle finger with strength. See the effect now.